Health premiums have increased by 97%. That's no surprise to consumers who see the decrease in their paychecks from employers. But there are ways to save upfront on medical expenses. On Your Side consumer advocate Jen Strathman is here tonight with how to bid on health care.
It doesn't matter if you have insurance, you're uninsured, or underinsured. There are simple steps you can take to save money without compromising on the quality. We shop for deals to restaurants, clothing stores, and spas. So why not shop for healthcare savings?
It's different.
Tom Mayer is willing to try new ways to slash his healthcare bills. He saved 50% on a routine lab test just by bidding for the test on a site called Bid on Health.
It's kind of like Priceline for the hotel business.
Like Priceline, you name the price for the health test you want. In Cleveland and Akron, there are over 84 lab tests you can bid on. After your price is accepted, you find out the name of the lab.
I go to a medical center and go directly to a very well-known, recognized name in the laboratory services business.
Tom was paying $30 out of pocket for the test. He now pays just $15.
If the quality of the care, or in this case the quality of the laboratory work, is equal, then I don't see any reason why you would not try to find a less expensive alternative.
In Ohio, Bid on Health only offers lab work. It hopes to add radiology soon. The site is already testing that option in 2 states. But is this doctor approved?
I think that anything that helps people be healthy and have healthy wallets is a good thing.
Dr. Scott Frank is the director for the Master of Public Health program at Case Western Reserve University School of Medicine. He says cost is a discussion with more than half his patients.
Well, I think it starts from the fact that our healthcare system is basically broken, and the cost of care has gone too high.
To cut costs, shop around for medical care. Ohio hospitals list their prices for the top tests and procedures on their website. And call different facilities for pricing. Independent labs and imaging centers charge cheaper fees. For example, a local hospital charges more than $4,400 for an MRI of the abdomen. An imaging center we checked charges $1,900. That's a difference of 55%. Offer to pay cash and you might save even more. Dr. Frank encourages his patients to look for these cheaper options, but he says you need to be careful.
I think the mistake would be if people start to consider themselves their own doctor and aren't working with a health professional to make decisions that are evidence-based.
Some money-saving offers don't even require a doctor's prescription. We saw a Groupon for $340 worth of lab tests. The cost on the Daily Deal site, just $49. We sent our intern to see what the company is telling patients.
Yeah, you're getting a good deal.
For $49, our intern got a thyroid, liver, kidney, glucose, and cholesterol test.
I wonder if those other tests besides the thyroid one looks familiar, and then what are the kidney and liver tests?
It's the creatinine, which is kidney functions, electrolytes, the glucose.
That was the only explanation given, and the lab didn't want to talk about this offer on camera. The results are mailed to the patients. Dr. Frank said you need to proceed with caution when trying to read the results on your own. Just because your results are 2 points above or below the average doesn't mean you have a health problem.
The amount of anxiety that we see, even when you have somebody to help interpret them, is very high.
Daily Deal sites like Groupon and Living Social are also a good way to save on dental services. One dentist told me many people began cutting back on dental visits when the economy dipped. So he began offering cheap exams on Daily Deal sites. On Your Side, Jen Strathman, News Channel 5.
If you